Hey guys, in this part we talk about list in Python, part 3. List comprehension. List comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. So, syntax. New list equal to, you have an expression and for keyword, item, in keyword and iterable and if condition equal to true, and the return value is a new list leaving the old list unchanged. So talking about condition, the condition is like a filter that only accept the items that evaluate to true. So new list equal to x as expression for x as item in. So create a fruits list equal to banana and orange and cherry. Save, and in keyword and fruits list and if condition x is not equal to apple, and add another fruit apple. Save, and the condition if is not equal to apple will return true for all elements other than apple, making the new list contain all fruits except apple. So print the new list. Save and run. Banana, orange and cherry, and we don't have apple. And the condition is optional and can be omitted. So I omit the condition and save and run, and we have apple. And iterable. The iterable can be any iterable object like a list, tuple and set and etc. And talk about expression. The expression is the current item in the iteration, but it's also the outcome, which you can manipulate before it ends, up like a list item in the new list. So for example, set the values in the new list to uppercase. So x dot upper and save and run, and the items are uppercase, and you can set the outcome to whatever you like. So for example, remove x dot to upper and write hello, and we have four hellos, and the expression can also contain conditions, not like a filter but as a way to manipulate the outcome. So for example, x, and if x not equal to banana, and else return orange. Save and run, and we have orange instead of banana and apple, orange and cherry. And the expression in this example says return the item if it's not banana, and if it's banana return orange. And sort list. List objects have a sort method that will sort the list alpha numerically ascending by default. So I add items in the fruits like kiwi and pineapple and mango, and remove the new list and write fruits dot sort and print fruits. Save and run. And the fruits are sort alpha numerically, and I create another list, for example numbers equal to 150, 65 and 40 and 23, and write numbers dot sort and print numbers. Save and run. And the numbers are sorted ascending and sort descending. To sort descending, use the keyword argument reverse equal to true. So for example, numbers dot sort reverse equal to true. Save and the numbers are sorted descending. And customize sort function. You can also customize your own function by using the keyword argument key equal to function. And the function will return a number that will be used to sort the list. And so remove this, and key is my func, and define my function my func, and we talk about function in later chapters, and return absolute and minus 50 and save, and sort the list based on how close the number is to 5. So run, and the numbers are sorted: 50, 40, 65, 23 and 100. And case sensitive sort. By default, the sort method is case sensitive, resulting in all capital letters being sorted before lowercase letters. So I change the kiwi and orange and save, run. We have kiwi and orange and apple, banana and etc. And luckily we can use built-in functions as key functions when sorting a list. So if you want a case-sensitive sort function, use str.lower as a key function. So key is str.lower. Save and run. And we have apple, banana and kiwi and orange in here. And reverse order. What if you want to reverse the order of a list regardless of the alphabet? The reverse method reverses the current sorting order of the elements. So write fruits dot reverse and run. And we have pineapple, orange, and apple in the last. And copy a list. You cannot copy a list simply by typing, for example, list 2 equal to list 1, because list 2 will only be a reference to list 1, and change made in list 1 will automatically also be made in list 2. There are ways to make a copy. One way is to use the built-in list method like copy. So I write in here fruits 2 equal to fruits dot copy, and comment these and print fruits 2. Save and run, and we have fruits as fruits 2. And another way to make a copy is use the built-in method as like list. So comment this, and fruits 2 is use list constructor and fruits in here and run, and fruits 2 in here, save and run, and we have fruits. And join two lists. There are several ways to join or concatenate two or more lists in Python. One of the easiest ways are by using the plus operator. So we have numbers and or comment this, and I create another numbers 2 and 1, 3 and 6, for example, and print numbers plus numbers 2. Save and run, and we have numbers 1 and numbers 2. And another way to join two lists is by appending all the items from list 2 into list 1 by one. And so comment this and write for loop x in numbers and numbers 2 dot append x, and print numbers 2. Save and run. They are numbers 2 and we have numbers 1. And you can use the extend method, which purpose is to add elements from one list to another list.